Hey, are you thinking about moving to Chesterfield, Virginia? Well, in this video, we're going to talk about this awesome neighborhood called the Oasis by Main Street. So let's go. We're at 6836 Oasis Breeze Lane in Midlothian, Virginia. And we're going to talk briefly about this 23112 area, okay? Because Hall Street is a long street. Now, first I want to talk about this Virginia weather. I got to tell you, the other day I had on the air condition. This morning we wake up, we have the heat on. It's 58 degrees right now. It was cooler this morning. It was 90 degrees the other day. So if you're moving to Virginia, the area weather-wise is crazy, okay? Now we're going to talk about the Oasis at Main Street. Now Main Street is a popular builder in this area. They're recognized for being one of the top builders in the RVA area. They done got best builders sometimes, and they're also experiencing great reviews. I checked them out. I have many clients that built with Main Street, and they're pretty satisfied and they're happy with their place. We sold a home here. We helped her sell her existing home so she can move into townhouse here. Main Street was perfect with working with her. I will say that. Smooth transition. I even like Main Street. That's why they get voted for one of the best builders in the region a lot of times. Now Main Street, they're also popular for their energy sufficient bills, low utility bills, indoor quality with the air. So Main Street has a lot to offer with that, and they get different certificates for that, okay? Now let's talk about this location. Now, Cosby Middle School is right across the street, right over here on Hall Street. Okay, that's the location, very good location. Now from this point right here until you get to 288, there's a ton of things between that 4-mile radius from here to 288. If you're not in the area, you're going to be using 288 a lot. I just want to educate you. Some of the things you're going to see in this little 4-mile radius, you have Uptown Alley, which is a bowling alley. You have the movie theaters, Commonwealth, TGI Fridays, Texas Roadhouse, Bonefish Grill, Boathouse, which is a nice place to have a nice ambiance. You got a Japanese steakhouse, Outback Steakhouse, Latitude, which is a seafood spot. Did I say Longhorn? Longhorn, Firebirds Grill, which is a new restaurant that's not too far from here. And then you have your fast food places. You got your Cava, Mission Barbecue, Chick-fil-A, Arby's, Taco Bell's, Hardee's, McDonald's, Wendy's, and much more, just to give you a feel of what's in the area, okay? Now, my kids love this place. It's called Crumble. I gotta give a shout out to Crumble because they'll drive to Crumble, get the desserts they like, and, sometimes buy it as gifts for people. So check out Crumble if you come to the area, okay? Now, your grocery stores that's around here, you have your Publix, you have Food Lion, Kroger, Aldi, Fresh Market, and your Walmart. You have a department store, Ross. You have a home goods spot, Petco. Lowe's are right down the street. Across the street, you have the YMCA. You have a Gold's Gym that's further down the street. And remember, you're only 20 minutes away from the capital of Richmond, okay? There's always something to do in Richmond. You have plenty festivals that happens all the time. You have your different parks that's in Richmond. You have arts, you have history. Don't forget, you do have the James River right there in the Richmond area. So just a couple of things to remember, okay? Now, people always ask me, Chris, how are the schools in this area? I want my babies to go to a nice school. Well, I always tell people, as a licensed realtor, I can't give you my opinion. I can go to niche.com and give you their opinion. Now, the elementary school here is Woolrich. It's rated as an A-, okay? About almost 800 students there from kindergarten to the 5th grade. You have your middle school, which is Tomahawk. They're rated as a B-, with about 1,600 students. That grade is from 6th to 8th grade. Okay, they have a 15-to-1 ratio with the students. You have Cosby High School. Cosby High School is walking distance, like we talked about earlier, is right across the street. That's the A- school, which is an awesome credit. 2,500 students, 16-to-1 student ratio, so they're rated real high. Now we're going to talk about this Oasis neighborhood. So the Oasis offers 2- and 3-story townhomes. You have the 55 plus, which is a 2-story units, and then you have the 3-story units that's not age restricted. The price point starts in that low $400,000 range, and then it goes up to that mid $400,000 range. You know how it goes. By the time you sit down, go over what type of house you want, you're gonna spend an extra $20,000. So you might as well put $20,000 to it, okay? Over here, you get the resort style feel of amenities. You have a nice clubhouse, an outdoor pool, multiple parks. You got pickleball, you got your trails, nice sidewalk, a dog park, community garden. See, this is a place where you don't have to power wash your house, clean the gutters, rake the leaves, or cut the grass. You know, they take care of the trash for you. This is what the HOA do for you in this neighborhood if you don't want all of that, okay? Now, the 55 plus HOA is at $225 a month at the time of this video. The reason being because they have their own pickleball court and their own clubhouse. And then the regular units, the 3-story units, was not age restricted, it's $190 a month. I guess that's a nice way to say no kids in the 55 plus. But there's a total of 400 townhomes that's going to be built over here, a total of 4 sections, okay? They're just starting section 2, so they still got 3 and 4 to go. Now, all of the 3-story homes are the ones, like I said, that's not age restricted. You have the Richmond and the Westbrook. They're both floor plans. They're about 2,200 square foot. You have your choice of 3 to 4 bedrooms, up to 3.5 bathrooms, a garage, and a rear deck, okay? Now let's talk about the 2 stories for the 55 plus. You have the Holly, which is an in unit. You can get 3 to 4 bedrooms and 2.5 baths, a little over 2,200 square foot with a 2-car garage. The next one you have is the Maple. It's also an in unit where you can get 3 to 4 bedrooms, up to 3.5 bathrooms, and a little over 2,300 square foot with a 2-car garage. The next one is the Rose View. That's an interior unit that has 2 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and it's a little under 2,000 square foot with a 2-car garage. The Rosewood 2, which can give you 3 to 4 bedrooms, up to 3.5 bathrooms, and this is also an interior unit, which is a little over 2,200 square foot with a 2-car garage. Now, the Rosewood 3 is a 2 and 3. This one is another interior unit, which gives you up to 3 to 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, with little over 2,200 square foot with a 2-car garage. Okay, yeah, it's enough talking. I wanted to let you know about the area. Let's go ahead. We're gonna do 2 tours. We're gonna do the Maple, which is the 55 plus, the 2-story, and then we're going to do the Richmond as well. We're gonna do one or the other, Richmond or the Maple. We're gonna tour both of them. And after I do the tour, please let me know what you think. So let's go. Okay guys, you see the nice row. This is the 55 plus because it's the 2-story. All the 2 stories are 55 plus. The best winner home builder 9 times. Award winner Richmond Times Dispatch. It's pretty good. So this is how we're going to enter the house right here. Now this is the model. We got the office at the bottom. Let's see what the inside has to offer. Let's go. Okay, you have your steps to your right. We're going to wait before we go up those steps. So check out this layout here. You have your bathroom. I like the wallpaper. Pretty nice. Nice open concept here. Okay, you have your refrigerator. Plenty of counter space. Got your microwave up top and stove. Nice island. You have your gas fireplace, which I know some people are picky about. And then you do have your soft close cabinets. And right here, your washer and dryer to the laundry room. But the garage is out that way. Right now it's being utilized as the office for Main Street. And then you have right here your pantry. When you're getting your home built, I always encourage my clients to take pictures, make sure you get the cabinets you want. I'd probably say that's sometimes the issue I've had in the past of getting the cabinets you want and the height you wanted, and definitely if there's any upgrades. Okay, here, nice sitting area, along with the nice sunroom that's outside here, which is nice. Now let's check out the bedroom, the owner suite. It's a nice size owner suite here. Got the double doors to the bathroom, shower. It's nice. And nice closet area, pretty spacious. All right, let's go ahead and make our way upstairs. Let's see what's upstairs. It's pretty nicely decorated. I like it. Okay, you do have your second level up here. Nice spacious area. Man. Another living quarters up here. 55 plus. Nice area for the grandkids. And you have another, technically speaking, laundry area, because right behind here you have your water supply, so another area for a washer and dryer. Behind those doors you do have the unit for the upstairs. Here's the bathroom, looks pretty nice. And the towel in the shower, you have your toilet stool, and then the linen closet in the bathroom. Then you also have another linen closet right over here. So it's plenty of shelving space. Let's check out this bedroom. This is a nice size bedroom. Nice size bedroom, along with a nice size closet in here. Then let's check out the other bedroom. Same thing, they're about the same size. Same size bedroom. Nice size, same thing with the closet, or the same size closet. So both of these bedrooms and the closet is about the same size. This is a nice layout. Let me know what you think about this layout. Okay guys, this is the 3-story. Okay, the 2-story had the front load garage. This is the back load garage. And you have a row of the houses. They just cut grass. Like I said, they cut the grass and keep up with all the power washing, gutter cleaning, the mulch, and all of this good stuff. But let's check out this model right here, which is your 3-story unit. This is not the 55 plus one, but here you have your sitting area. Some people might use this as an office right here. One of the things they always featured on this screen, it says Energy Advantage Plus Homes. It says save up to $100 a month with Energy Advantage Plus. That's one of the things that Main Street prides themselves on, and they talk about it quite often. Here's your, technically your little mudroom area. It is a bathroom down here on the first level, little closet. And then this is technically your garage, the back end when you enter into your place, okay? So let's go ahead and go upstairs to your second level. So this model has all wood at the bottom, all wood here on the second level. You have your gas fireplace. Nice, open, spacious place right here. Yeah, looks nice. And then you have your little sitting area. You can also see the garage in the back of the place, but your sitting area is right over the garage. It's nice how they have the little fireplace and the TV right here on your deck. But nice open concept here. You have a nice size island, it's huge. You Then you have your pantry right here. And I'm about sure this is soft close as well. Soft close drawers. You have your gas cooking. I know a lot of people want gas cooking sometimes. Then you have your bathroom right here that's on the second level. Your half bath. And don't forget some of the features of the pantry area. Some of your features allows you to get more than, more bathrooms. You can get a half or full, different models. So you do have carpet on your steps right here. I believe it's an upgrade with your wood floors and wood steps. I think the wood steps for sure. Okay, right here, I have a bedroom. Another bedroom, double door for the closet. Yep, that's your bathroom, which looks nice. Yep. So 2 bedrooms on this end. And then you have your washer and dryer, your linen closet. And here is the owner suite. Nice and spacious. Over here, you have the closet. Hey guys, I want you to remember this, is that Main Street offers move-in ready homes. A lot of times they have inventory just in case somebody just moving to the area, like yourself, and they may have something that you already like and you don't have to wait for the home to be built. So you have to remember sometimes deals fall through, that opens an opportunity for somebody else, or you have spec homes that they have. But remember, move-in home readies that Main Street offers, it might be something you're interested in, so reach out to me and let me know, okay? So guys, tell me what you think. This Oasis area has a lot to offer for all ages. The area, the location is perfect with so many amenities that's around you. I help people like you all the time in different states, different parts of the world. Feel free to reach out to me, give me a call, text, email me, just communicate with me. I do private tours for families all the time who is looking to move in this area. Like I always say, I don't care if you're thinking about moving next week, next month, or next year. Please reach out to me and my team because we'd love to help you make that smooth move to Chesterfield, Virginia.